guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, we are in the bloody Philippines. Look at this shit. Jeez. For today's video, we're actually in my garage and we're gonna open this bad boy up right now. We've got something to install on the car today. Voila. Let's go. Oh shit. Wow. Okay, alright, if we open my Corsa's fat ass booty, we actually have a new speaker to install. So basically, for today's video, we've actually got a bloody speaker to install. And you know what? It's called Type G or something. You know why that is? Because it's a fucking G, mate. So right, ever since I got this dirty cow of an exhaust, the factory speakers aren't cutting it. So we are replacing them with some Alpine SPG 17C2. Sounds like a bloody Star Wars character, mate. But yeah, honestly, right now, these factory bloody speakers aren't cutting it. And I want to drop kick them down an escalator. That's how bad they are right now. They used to be alright with the stock exhaust because, you know, you couldn't really hear anything. But now that the new exhaust is overpowering, I need a little bit of a louder and more nice speaker. So that's what we're going to install today. And also, this is my first time installing any speaker to any car. So, 240 watt? What? Basically means there's going to be 240 times of me going, what? In this video. So yeah, I'm very excited to get these on. Let's quickly unbox this bad boy. Woo, look at that. Alpine, jeez, look at that. That, my guys, looks genuinely sexy. I think I just pooed down my leg. Look at these speakers, man. Oh my god, they are hefty bad boys. Oh jeez. I think I just pooed down. I think there's poo running down my leg right now. Look at this. I honestly want to eat my cereal out of that. That's how like voluptuous this thing looks like. So yeah, here are the factory speakers, right there. So behind this door panel is the factory speaker. We have like tweeters up here, I think, but we don't have tweeters. And then we have like a speaker up here, I think. So basically, in another video, I'll replace all of the speakers, including the back ones. But for today's video, we're gonna be replacing the big boys, the daddies. These are the daddies, I think. I'm pretty sure these are the daddies. Basically, what we need to do is we need to take this whole door card off, which I've never done before. Yeah, we're gonna start off with this door panel first. Let's try not to blow up my car today. Okay, right, next few screws are right here. Okay, alright then, laddie winkles. I don't know how to get this window kind of thing off. You know, I can't really see how to get it off, you know. Yeah, let's get this door panel off. I literally just have to yank it, I believe. Hey. There we go. So the door panel is now off, as you guys can see. Jeez. Here is the little tweeter. But we haven't got another tweeter, so yeah. And here is our old speaker that we are going to replace. Feels like proper fabric and shit. That's disgusting. The new one we've got is proper nice. It's a proper bad boy, that is. So here is my new speaker, and I've also got this thing, which is an adapter. So hopefully this adapter will just allow me to plug the new speaker in. Right then, lads, here we have the old speaker, and that looks like some granny ass shit right there. Look at that. I mean, look at that. It's like fucking nylon, that is. Something that has pissed me the fuck off. It is literally, I've watched videos online of this, and normally the housing for the speaker is attached to a bracket, but this is actually inbuilt to the fucking bracket. So I'm gonna have to order a fucking bracket now. Like this thing, that thing that goes on it. I'm gonna have to order one for my car. And I'm gonna have to leave it like this. Change the speaker, they said. It'll be nice, they said. No, it fucking won't, you knobheads. Alright then, boys, you join me in my garage right now, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of prep work real quick. we've got the speaker right here, and we have the positive and negative terminal right here. I've never done this before, so it's probably going to explode on me, but you know what? Happy days. Happy days. I've actually bought this adapter, which just basically allows me to not have to cut the factory wiring. We get the negative one, we put it on the negative terminal. This one fits nicely. So, yeah, that fits nicely, so we don't have to do anything. I'm pulling on that right now, and it's, you know, don't come off. But the positive one, it don't connect, you know, it don't fit. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut that bit off, bang. And then what we're going to do is we're going to literally solder it onto the terminal. So it's like this, can you see? So it basically just does that, and then we're going to solder that. This reminds me of year 10 DT class. I don't even know if you're meant to be doing this to a speaker or not, but you know what? I don't give a fuck. The speaker is now all connected up, as you guys can see. So we've got the negative, nice, that's not coming off, and then we now got the positive. Just give that a little yank. Yeah, then that will just go into the factory speaker. Happy days. So tomorrow I'll be back and I will install this naughty girl. It is currently the next day, as you guys can maybe see from my attire, and also I've gotten just that little bit more ugly. We have actually got the adapter fitted to the speaker. I was really scared that this speaker adapter wasn't going to fit the speaker, and then it'd be another like day that I'd have to wait. But literally, we've just ordered a new adapter, as you guys can see, and they're pretty much the same size. All right, boys. So we've got one in just to secure it, and then we're putting the last two in. I've actually just used Pritt Stick to stick the rubber bit to the back of the adapter. It's worked quite well, you know. The next thing we got to do is we need to stick this speaker in. And we're going to be using the factory screws. What we want to do firstly, this is going to get tricky, so I'm going to still film this on a GoPro. Fucking hell, I'd be happy if this fucking door panel wasn't here. We need to connect this adapter up real quick. And then we want to start screwing this one in. I think this is going alright. Haven't blown up the car yet. No, I don't think that is moving. So I think what we've got to do now is actually test this out. So we've got to reconnect the battery and then see if this works. We've got some non-copyright music right now. Let's test if this works. It works. I'm not gonna play anymore. I'm not gonna play anymore. Woo! We've just connected the speaker, and I don't think that is going anywhere, fam. I really don't think that's going anywhere. I think, you know what, I'm gonna actually get this door panel back on, and then we're gonna do the driver's side. Next thing I did was move straight onto the driver's side speaker, and I didn't show too much of this just because it's the same process as the passenger side, but I installed the rubber condom and then installed the mount and the speaker. Speaker is now all installed in the car, and as you guys can see, there it is. So now literally all we need to do is get this panel door panel back on. We'll be all good. Right then, so the battery is all connected up and the speakers are all connected up right now. Might be my first ever successful speaker change. Listen, right now we are going to be blasting through the neighborhood with our chavvy music on in my boy racer car, fam. Let's quickly play some tunes, fam.
My name is Donya. I moved to Manchester.
I don't care, Donya! Mate! Yo! For real? I don't know if it's just, you know, a placebo effect, but that sounds mega! Yo, I'm like a kid right now, but the speakers, they sound a lot more clear. In a way, you know, they sound more clear. Like, I listened to 5 seconds of that. Here is my old granny speaker, right? That is some nasty ass shit. It wasn't even that bad quality, you know, but obviously switching from this, you know, it's literally like Velcro or sounds like a bloody card or something. I'm gonna use you to write a bloody birthday letter soon. But yeah, obviously, you know, switching from this to a proper speaker, you know, it's so clear. It genuinely is. Like, I can get a bottle of all the money that Yo, the bass is kicking my leg right now. On the bass, it literally feels like my leg is shaking, you know? The bass is a lot more real, you know? What am I chatting shit about? That sounds like somebody's hitting a fucking drum next to my bloody leg. Like, that literally is the sound of the bass on this speaker right now. This speaker was more like, you know, a little rat kind of pulling on your trousers like, hello. The insulation of the speakers, it was a bit of a ball ache to get the whole door card off, but you know, it's not like a thing you can just grab there and, you know, obviously you have to get behind the door card, but yeah. That is the new speakers. I don't know if you can actually see, oh yeah, you can. There's the new speakers. Obviously, it did come with like a plastic covering, but why the fuck would I need it when I've already got this anyway? So I didn't put it on. If you guys want new speakers, you know, 100% recommend it, you know. I cannot wait to be in the McDonald's line playing Barbie Girl. I literally cannot wait. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Obviously, I can't replicate how this sounds over, you know, a video because obviously, you know, you won't be able to hear how good it is. 100% well worth it, you know, especially with the new exhaust on the car. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and also subscribe if you are new. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you faces in my next video. What?